Here is what to do when assembling and disassembling a system unit. Number 1. Do not work alone so that there's someone who can take care of you in case of an emergency. Number 2. Always power off the computer and unplug the computer before working on it. Number 3. Take away any liquid near your working area to avoid getting electrocuted or accidentally damaging computer parts. Number 4. Be careful with tools that may cause a short circuit. Number 5. Always ground or discharge yourself before touching any part of the computer. Number 6. Do not use excessive force if things don't quite slip into place. Number 7. Clean the area before and after using it to maintain sanitation and prevent accidents. Number 8. Hold the components on the edges and do not touch the integrated circuit parts. Number 9. Always wear personal protective equipment in accordance with the organization's OHS procedures and practices. Number 10. Make sure that the pins are properly aligned when connecting a cable connector. Number 11. Contingency measures during workplace, accidents, fire, and other emergencies are recognized. And lastly, number 12. Use a brush, compressed air, or blower in cleaning the computer system.
So, these are the tools that are required when assembling and disassembling a system unit. The first one is Phillips head screwdriver, essential for most screws in a computer case. Number 2, flap head screwdriver, useful for prying open cases or removing certain types of screws. Number 3, anti-static wrist strap, prevents static electricity from damaging sensitive components. Number 4, thermal paste, needed if you're installing or reinstalling a CPU cooler. Number 5, cable ties or Velcro strap, helps manage and organize cables. Number 6, small container or magnetic tray, keeps screws and small parts organized. Number 7, flashlight, handy for seeing inside dark corners of the case.
Power supply. It provides electricity to all parts of the system unit, converting power from the outlet into a usable form for the computer. A heatsink and fan help cool down the CPU or the central processing unit, which is the brain of the computer responsible for processing instruction and running programs. Cables carry the power and data between components, helping the system unit function smoothly as one complete system. The HDD or hard disk drive is where all files, software, and data are stored permanently. RAM or Random Access Memory. It is a type of temporary memory stored in modules plugged into the motherboard. It holds active data and programs so the CPU can access them quickly. The motherboard. It is the main circuit board that connects all the computer's parts, allowing them to communicate and work together.